What is a database? A database is a collection of data about people, things, events, and many more that is organized in a way that makes it easy to access and use. So let's discuss this with a better example how a database works. Imagine you are a manager of a bookstore. To keep track all of your books, you create a system with shelves and categories, right? So each shelf represents a category and each book has a specific place on that shelf. So this makes it easy for you to find a particular book when a customer asks for it, right? So in a similar way, a database works. It has tables which are like the shelves in the bookstore. Each table has columns which are like the categories on the shelves. The rows in the table represent the individual books, each with its unique information, just like title, author, and so on. So when you hear the word database, think of a well organized and efficient system for storing and managing information, just like the bookstore that helps you to find the book you need it quickly and easily. I hope it is now clear what is a database and how it works. So now let's discuss why we are using database. So the first point is organize. So it helps to organize the data in a better way, which we can make it more easier to use. Then we have security. It helps to protect the data from unauthorized access. Then we have scalability. It can be scaled up and down as per the needed. And we have the reliability. It can be used to ensure the data is always available when it is needed. Types of database. There are many different types of database, each with its own strength and weakness. Some of the most common type of database include relational database and NoSQL database. So let's discuss what is a relational database is. So relational database are the most common type of database. They use a structured format to store data in tables in the form of rows and columns. As the name says, relational, it stores the data in tables that are related to each other through a foreign key. Then comes NoSQL database. So NoSQL database are the newer type of database that are not as structured as relational database. They are often used to store large amount of data that doesn't need to be structured in a particular way. So we'll not go in detail on the other type of database, but we have few other database as well, like graph database, document database, key value store, in-memory database, and so on. I hope now you have got enough information about what is a database and how it works and what all properties and types of database we have. If you like the content, please do like and subscribe to my channel for more such informative topics. Thank you.